Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make a basalt bridge builder. Now you can see I am currently in my survival series that I play in my free time, and I want to get over there. Now you can see that there is a extremely large pool of lava. You can call it an ocean of lava, but I want to get over there. So how will I do that? Well, I dug myself this hole, and I want to build a basalt bridge builder, and I want to show you how to make this too. So these are the ingredients. You need 2 sticky pistons, 6 slime blocks, blue ice where you can get from the biomes, and the soul soil which comes with the new nether update, 2 observers, and I think that is it. Oh yeah, and a flint and steel. You gotta start the piston somehow. So to start, you want to basically place your blue ice right here. So again, we're going that way. So we want to place our blue ice right over here. And then next to our blue ice, we want to place a slime block, like so. And then we can mine this out. Now, what we want to do is we want to place the observers facing that way so that the faces are facing this way. Alright, so far so good. Now what we want to do is we want to place a sticky piston facing this way with the blue ice. So like that. So this sticky piston should face the way you want your machine to go. And finally another sticky piston facing the opposite way. Just like that. And now we want to place our 2 slime blocks in this configuration down here. This block right over here, oops, this block, you want to place a slime block, yes, sticky block. Slime block down here, and then another slime block like so, like an L shape, and then finally, you want to place your soul soil right over here. So, there you have it, guys. This is the finished product. Now, all you have to do is start this machine and start building the bridge itself. But you gotta let the lava in somehow, and to do that, we'll have to mine out all the places where slime blocks touch the normal blocks. So looks like we have some. Let's get this out here. Let's place this here. So it looks like some blocks over here are covered with slime blocks. We can get those out of the way. And then we're basically draining this, well actually the opposite of draining. We're filling this giant hole so that the slime blocks can be free to move about. I believe that is good over there. And then over here, we want to clear this out, just like that. And, I think that is it. Let me make sure no slime blocks are touching. Now, what we want to do is we want to light this piston, just like that. Actually, lighting this wouldn't work. Let's just place a block here. There we go. Sorry about the flint and steel. We can ignore that. Just place a block in front of the observer and watch it go. It makes basalt at an increasingly fast rate. So we can just follow this basalt. You can see how fast it started. And, you know, you can see me trying to build my cobblestone path over there. Well, I'm not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to use this basalt bridge builder. Look at how fast it's going. And you'll be in the next destination at no time. You can see, let's just go up here. We can see that we're already hitting some things over there. And yeah, you can just see that your basalt bridge builder has now just been completed and is sailing off to the distance. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.